Welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing you the latest construction updates from Camp Nou, Barcelona, directly from the stadium. Despite some scattered rain, the work is progressing steadily, and we have exciting developments to share from the lateral stands, the Gold Sur section, and the parking structure. At Gold Sur, the second cantilever is busy. Workers focus on supercolumns, ensuring structural reinforcement is in place. After the break, teams continue with formwork panels and steel reinforcement, preparing for concrete pours. Ceramic louvers are being installed as well. Several new panels, gray and colored, are positioned, showing steady facade progress. Platforms and machinery coordinate installation, crucial for next construction stages. On the parking slab, access points are prepared and materials staged for concrete work. Trucks have arrived for upcoming pours. Formwork panels are checked and positioned, with steel reinforcement in place for stability. Preparations enable the lateral pour, a key milestone for the parking slab. With 3,000 parking spaces planned, this area is important for match days and stadium functionality. The third cantilever, narrower, nears completion. Floor panels and reinforcement are being placed, and after supercolumns are concreted, seating installation in the third tier will accelerate. The Dani Pardo Curve remains a focus, with formwork and concrete progressing efficiently. Panels and reinforcement show careful planning and execution. The VIP ring is quieter, but support structures for ceramic louvres are being installed. From Gold Sur to lateral sections, teams coordinate facade work. Louvres in blaurana and lilac are being placed, following a visual pattern enhancing stadium aesthetics. Supervisors monitor work, ensuring quality and safety. These details affect functionality and the iconic stadium appearance. The Gold Norte section is advancing. Concrete pours are planned for remaining formwork, and access ramps and staircases are finalized. Panels are installed, surfaces cleaned, preparing for final third-tier construction. Lateral accesses for spectators with reduced mobility are progressing, ensuring accessibility standards. The Diamante area, future Barça Store, is taking shape. Aluminum profiles and structural pillars are installed, and glass walls will follow. Surrounding terraces are prepped for landscaping and finishing. Louvres installation continues in blaurana, lilac, and blue. Panels are carefully positioned and secured, ensuring alignment and durability. Facade work is a highlight of construction and defines stadium's visual identity. Camp Nou is progressing steadily. Cantilevers, third tier, parking slab, lateral louvres, and VIP ring. Concrete pours, reinforcement, and formwork are executed meticulously. The stadium is transforming into a state-of-the-art venue, each day bringing us closer to completion. Stay tuned for open training sessions and stadium access updates. Don't miss our next video for coverage of the final stages before the grand reopening of Camp Nou. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest Camp Nou updates and upcoming open training sessions.